Finally, Friday. I thought this week would never end.
I know. So many classes, meetings, and work. I need a break.
Me too. Hey, what do you think about a short weekend trip?
Ooh, that sounds amazing. Where are you thinking?
Maybe a nearby hill station? Just for a night or two. Fresh air, nature, and no Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi? That's scary, but tempting. How far is the place?
Just 2 hours by bus. It's called Green Hills. I went there once with my cousins.
Green Hills. I've heard of it. Small cottages, walking trails, and great food, right?
Exactly. And there's a small lake where we can go boating.
I love lakes. So peaceful. Okay, I'm in. But wait, do we have time to plan everything?
Don't worry. I checked already. There's a bus tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. We can return Sunday evening.
Sounds perfect. But what about rooms?
There's a guest house called Peace Valley. I called them earlier. They have 2 rooms left.
Great! What's the cost?
Around 1,200 rupees per night, including breakfast.
That's a good deal. Let's book it before someone else does.
Done. I'll make the reservation online. Do you want me to book the bus tickets too?
Yes, please. I'll handle snacks and water for the journey.
Deal. What should we pack?
Warm clothes for sure. And maybe sunscreen, a hat, and a book?
Don't forget sunglasses. And I'll bring playing cards.
Oh yes, cards are a must for trips. Should we take a speaker for music?
Definitely. I'll charge it tonight. Also, bring your camera.
Of course! I can't wait to click some nature shots.
This is going to be fun. A weekend away from screens and city noise.
We both need it. Just us, nature, and fresh food.
Okay, so let's recap the plan.
And you bring speaker, cards, and the good vibes.
Always. Let's meet at the bus station by 8:30.
Sure, I'll be there on time. This is gonna be the best weekend ever.
I agree. Thanks for saying yes. Can't wait.